Good morning.
Good morning.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. I would like some cheese.
Cheese, certainly. How much cheese would you like?
I'd like half a kilogram.
Half a kilogram. Okay. Here you are. Half a kilogram of cheese.
Thank you. I would also like some rice.
Rice. Sure. How much rice would you like?
I'd like about 5 kilograms.
5 kilograms of rice? I have 4.5 kilograms. Is that okay?
Okay,
Okay. Here you are. 4.5 kilograms of rice.
thanks.
Anything else?
Yes, I'd like some oil.
Oil, certainly. How much oil would you like?
I'd like 3 liters.
3 liters. Okay. 3 liters of oil. Here you are.
Thanks.
Something else?
Yes, I'd like some milk.
Milk, sure. How much milk would you like?
I'd like 1 liter.
1 liter, all right. Here you are. 1 liter of milk.
Thanks.
And anything else today?
No, that's all. Thanks.